Gurugram, and we are at Artemis Hospital. So this is about fight back TB. So we wanted to understand, sir, like Gurgaon, since it's supposed to be big, people are eyeing to come to Gurgaon, and today we are talking about TB. Already the government, we have so many organizations working. So what's the real scene? Means how affected it is, the urban, the slums, which we are talking about.
See, the Gurugram scenarios and the geography is very difficult, not only because of the urbanization and the slums, even we have the rural population also, and so many industries are there, and so much of population, though census has not happened, but let me tell you, our population is on papers now, what survey we have done, it's around 35 lakhs, and maybe it's more than that, and we do have a migratory population of around 6 lakhs almost per day, which is going back and coming to Gurgaon. Up and down it's happening. So any infectious disease, let me tell you, be in short, any infectious disease, how it is to be controlled. It is to be controlled only by detecting at the earliest, so that it doesn't spread to others. What we did in the COVID, same. We detected each and every cases, and same case is the with the tuberculosis. We should not be afraid of detecting the number of cases. We should detect the number of cases or the infected cases as early as possible. Not only we should treat them, we should support them with the nutrition, we should evaluate the family also, we should do certain tests, and we should, now there is a prophylaxis for the family also, the treatment should be given to them, because ultimately if it's a pulmonary tuberculosis cases, the family is going to have a tuberculosis, the family members is going to have tuberculosis within 2 years. It has been reported. So, and now your question is comes here, the where you have asked about the slums and urbanization, because in the slums and in the urbanization where so too much of population is there, they are working or they are staying in a closed area, then the spread is the issue. So we have to curtail or stop this spread of tuberculosis, and it is quite possible and feasible if we stop the spread by detecting them early and by treating them early.
So like डॉक्टर यादव ने जो बोला है कि अबाउट गिविंग द मॉनेटरी सपोर्ट जो 500 रुपीस वो बोल रहे हैं, सो इज दैट इनफ? 500 रुपये का
See,
medicines
no. Medicines, they are free of cost. They are provided by
totally
us.
free.
Yeah, totally free. We are giving. Being a CMO, what I said, that the nutritional sport is it's a sport given by only for the nutrition only. The over and above what they are taking for the protein, usually they are protein deficient. So that is a supplement. It is not the complete nutrition we are giving. It is the additive thing we are giving, and that's the only during the what should I say, treatment period only.
After that, the post
treatment. Post treatment, they are that why we are treating them, so that they are not the tuberculosis resistant, they are not MDR cases, not they are not XDR cases. They can be detected early, they can be treated early, and they can again go to their jobs.
वंडरफुल। तो मैं आखिर में आई थिंक हिंदी में बोल दूंगा कि सिंस आर्टेमिस ने ये पहल करी है, द CSR इनिशिएटिव अंडर डॉक्टर शालिनी एंड अदर डॉक्टर्स, डॉक्टर यादव, आई थिंक एक पहल हमारे जैसे पोलियो एरेडिकेशन हुआ था, सो दिस इज TB, वी हैव टू फाइट एंड एवरीबडी हैज टू फाइट एवरी लेवल। तो आप लोग के नज़दीक में कोई भी आप जिसको देखते हैं कि जिनको असर है, लगता है कि तो गाइड टेक हिम टू द नियरेस्ट मेडिकल सेंटर। आर्टेमिस इज वन ऑफ देम, मेडांता जैसे आपने बोला।
बिल्कुल। लास्ट जो टीबी का प्रोग्राम हुआ था, जब हमने सभी कॉरपोरेट हॉस्पिटल्स को इन्वॉल्व किया था, और अब आपने जो बात की मैं एक बार दोबारा करूं, और जब मैंने अपना उद्घोषण हिंदी में, अगर आप बात ही कर रहे हैं, तो जब मैंने वो किया था, तो उस टाइम भी मैंने आपको बताई थी बात कि जन भागीदारी सबसे ज़रूरी है। जब तक जन भागीदारी नहीं होगी, तब तक ट्यूबरकुलोसिस क्या कोई भी इन्फेक्शियस डिजीज़ को कंट्रोल करना मुश्किल होता है। इसलिए मैं सभी से अनुरोध करूंगा कि आप आगे आएँ और हमारा सहयोग करें। हम आपके साथ हैं और टीबी को हम एलिमिनेट 2025 तक कर सकते हैं।
तो आज हम लोग सब शपथ लेते हैं CMO and everybody at Artemis, और जो भी हम लोग आए हैं, मीडिया एंड पब्लिक, कि we will eradicate TB.
That's all we can all say right now. TB हारेगा, देश जीतेगा।
सब लोग बोलेंगे सर।
या टीबी हारेगा, देश जीतेगा।
धन्यवाद सर।
थैंक यू।